Diaper leaks are a bummer. And really, if you want to avoid diaper leaks, actually cloth diapering is a great way to go because the elastic of cloth diapers keeps in blowouts so much better than disposable. But whether you use disposable or you use cloth diapers, leaks are going to happen. Now, the thing that is so great about cloth diapers is that when you do have a leak, you can customize your diaper to address whatever issue caused the leak. So, there are 4 main causes of diaper leaks. 1, simply just not changing your diaper soon enough. Or 2, fit issues. 3, your diaper needs to be more absorbent to meet the needs of your little one. And then lastly, the type of placement that you put the absorbency in, or maybe the different diapering material that you use is not absorbing fast enough. We're going to talk through all of those issues. I'm going to give you basically what I hope to be a bunch of tools that you can use in your cloth diapering toolkit to customize your cloth diapers to address any kind of issue that you might have with leaks. So the first, let's just talk about how often should you change or check your kiddos' diapers. Most parenting guidelines say that you should check or change your little one's diaper at least every 2 hours. Now, if your kiddo is at the newborn stage, you might be changing their diapers more frequently. If your kiddo is towards the toddler years or maybe nearing potty training, they might not even go every 2 hours, but it's a good idea to at least check. Now, how do you know that your leak is happening because you didn't change soon enough? Basically, if you look in your diaper and it's just all saturated, that means that either you need to change more frequently or you need to add some kind of absorbency. But before we talk about adding absorbency, let's talk about fit. Another issue that can cause leaks with cloth diapers is fit. So I got my friend Teddy here, and Teddy's diaper is way too big. It's really saggy here. The diaper material is drooping way low. It's not against his bum. If you lift up the leg like this, you'll see that there's a gap here. Okay, there should be no visible gaps at the legs or in the back of the diaper. Another thing that can cause a leak too in terms of fit, especially with covers, if you have like absorbency kind of sticking out like that, that'll cause leaks. Now, how do we address this too big of a diaper? Notice in the front of the diaper, these snaps here are called rise snaps. They make the diaper shorter or longer on the torso. The snaps here are called waist snaps. So for this diaper, it actually needs to be shorter in the rise. So I'm going to snap down one of the rise snaps, and then the waist snaps need to come in as well. Okay, so you see that I snapped the rise snaps down one. Now, when you're putting on your little one's cloth diaper, what you want to do, see, this is the front of the diaper right here. These are called the wings. You want to take the wing of your diaper and put it basically against your little one's hip bone, okay? Now, our duo wraps actually have hip snaps, so you fasten the hip snap first, okay? Get that nice and against your kiddo's hip bone. See here, I'm taking any extra fabric and I'm tucking it up and under. Okay, that's going to give you a nice snug fit. Okay, and then you bring in the waist snaps like so. Okay, so that, and then after doing that, you can also pull up the fabric in the diaper in the back. Okay, so the diaper is sitting in the right place. You see here, There are no leg gaps, okay? Now this right here doesn't need to be super tight on your little one. You should be able to just easily slip a finger in, but there should be no visible gap between the elastic of your diaper and your little one's legs. Now, let's say that you have a baby that has really skinny legs. It's kind of hard to get rid of those leg gaps. One little fit tip that you can do is, remember the wings that I showed you? You can take the wing, and if you pull the wing of the diaper up, notice how that draws that material up and it makes it a snugger fit there on the legs. So that's addressing leaks if the diaper is too big. Sometimes you can get leaks actually if the diaper is size too small. So you might get leaks out the front or out the back. So you just want to be sure that you have nice fit for your cloth diaper. That will definitely help prevent leaks. Now, let's talk about absorbency. This is where cloth diapers just blow disposables out of the water. You know the saying, you get what you get and you don't get upset? Well, that's basically what it is with disposable diapers. You have the diaper and that's it. With cloth diapers, you can add absorbency to it. Or you can just invest in a type of diaper that's really absorbent. So you have lots of choices. Now, here I have a Thirsties all-in-one. This is a synthetic all-in-one. So it has a stay dry topping right here, and then you can see the microfiber on the back. So this is synthetic. Now, this is a great diaper. It's super convenient, but truth be told, this is not our most absorbent diaper. Microfiber is simply not as absorbent as natural fibers. So what do you do if, say, you need to take this diaper and you need it to last through your kiddo's nap? Well, we have a lot of options for adding absorbency. Probably the most popular is our Duo Hemp Insert. This is a super trim, super absorbent insert. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and put it underneath the soaker of this all-in-one. And now this diaper is going to have a lot more absorbency, and it will probably last through your kiddo's nap time. So you can add absorbency to a cloth diaper. Now, we're going to start to get a little more advanced here, okay? We're going to talk about the different types of cloth diapering materials and how they absorb at different rates. So, did you notice that when I was adding this hemp insert, I put it underneath the microfiber soaker? Well, that's for a couple of reasons. One, I would want the nice stay dry material to be against my baby's bottom. But two, microfiber and cotton absorb fairly quickly. Whereas hemp, it's a wonderful cloth diapering material because it absorbs so much, but it absorbs slower than microfiber and cotton. So whenever you are adding or layering any kind of absorbency in a cloth diaper, you always want to have the fastest absorbing material closest to your baby's bottom. So that's why I had the microfiber on top, and then I put that nice stable absorbing hemp underneath. That is just gonna, basically you're gonna get the most out of the different cloth diapering materials that you're using. Remember, these are all different tools you can use in your tool kit. Now, let's get a little more nuanced too. Let's say you changed your kiddo's diaper. Okay, so this is a natural all-in-one. So it has two soakers here, and this is actually a hemp cotton blend. This is probably one of our most popular diapers. Let's say baby was taking a nap, sleeping on their tummy, and there was a little leak at the top of their diaper, okay? You know your fit is good, and when you go to change your baby, you notice that the diaper is completely saturated at the front of the diaper, but it's not even wet in the back. Well, that means that your kiddo's wetness zone, or where, the majority of their pee goes, is at the front of the diaper. Now, this can be different depending on the child. So what you want to do in this situation is you can customize and put the absorbency right in that wetness zone, right where your baby needs it. So with this diaper, it has 2 soakers. So I'm going to take this bottom soaker, I'm going to fold it up like that. See, that gives you so many more layers of absorbency right at the front of the diaper. And it probably will make it so that you don't have any leaks because you have absorbency right where you need it. What if your baby, let's say you love all-in-ones. You love them and you need more absorbency in the back. Okay, well, it's kind of hard to fold them at the back of the diaper. So here's what you can do. You can take this is a cotton doubler. You'll notice it's a little trimmer than the hemp insert. This comes in a bunch of different sizes. We even have newborn doublers, and they come in 3 packs. Okay, so let's say you want to add your cotton doubler. You can fold it like this, because remember, you need absorbency in the back of the diaper. And so take a look. Fold it like that. And now you have extra absorbency in the back of your diaper. You can even do this with, let's say you use cloth wipes. I tell you, this is a magical little product because it can be a wipe and it can be a doubler. It's just, these are fabulous. This is just 2 layers of organic cotton. You can fold it and place it in the back for that extra absorbency. Easy peasy. Now, while I've got this little doubler here, let's talk about another issue. Absorbency rate. We already talked about cotton is a fast absorber. Now let's just imagine a scenario. Let's say your little one is growing up, their body is growing and changing, and you notice now that they're holding their urine for a longer amount of time, and when they go, they do everything all at once. Okay, that in cloth diapering speak, we call it flooding the diaper. So when your kiddo does this, the absorbency in your diaper has to be fast enough to catch the flood and draw it into the absorbency of the diaper. So I love this little hack with our organic cotton doubler. Let's say again, you're using the natural all-in-one. I just fold this around the top soaker because organic cotton absorbs super fast. Okay, so let me show you here. So just fold it around the top soaker, and that's going to give you fast absorbency and extra absorbency right where you need it. You can do it up towards the front, you can do it towards the back, but that is a really great way to deal with any kind of leaks due to just a super fast peer. Okay, another thing, I know I'm talking all about these wipes. Another thing that's really great about these wipes is that if you have a newborn size diaper, you can tri-fold these, and well, you can fold them whichever way you want, but that you can add them to your newborn all-in-ones, and it's just great extra little absorbency without, see here, you've got the natural newborn all-in-one. You just tri-fold it and just lay it in there for some extra absorbency. Easy peasy. So we have talked about how to avoid or how to address, how to fix cloth diaper leaks. 1, be sure you're changing your baby frequently enough. 2, check the fit of your cloth diaper. 3, check that your cloth diaper is actually absorbent enough. 4, think about the different cloth diapering materials that you're using and be strategic about absorbency rate. 5-ish, kind of related to absorbency rate, is also absorbency placement. So we hope that these tips help you guys be successful at cloth diapering. Like I said, think of it as a cloth diapering toolkit that you can use to customize your diaper to work for your baby. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy cloth diapering.